the tree that grew its pine cones.
That's a cedar tree.
Yeah, but you were very close. They look similar. It's hard. I know, but you did great.
That's good.
What type of tree is it, Ollie? The one that grows pine cones.
Pine tree.
A pine tree. Sparkleberry? That is a sweet gum.
That is a, I know it, but I can't remember the name of it. I always nearly call it elderberry. Beautyberry.
That's it.
Sparkleberry.
Close.
Beautyberry.
Not close.
Mayberry.
Ding, ding, ding. Look, there's a sparkleberry with the big leaves. And this is a mayberry with small leaves.
Oh, so that's how you tell the difference.
Sparkleberries grow bigger too. Lydia.
Persimmon.
I'm getting one, Mama, for you.
Yeah.
My berries.
I'm getting one for you, Mommy.
That's what the bag's for.
All our
Yay! I thought they were all gone.
Yay!
What you getting, Lady?
You can get berries.
sparkleberries.
Berries.
Ollie. This one.
The one with the vines on it.
Yeah, the one with all those vines. I mean that one.
Pine cone too.
Pine cone too.
Yep. I knew that because of pine cones.
You knew it because of the pine cones.
Because of the pine cones were on the floor.
That was a good clue, wasn't it?
Yeah, I just think
What's this tree, Ollie?
Sweet gum.
Yeah, the sweet gum. What is it?
It is a black-eyed Susie.
No.
I thought it was.
That's probably what Daddy calls it, but what do I call it?
I don't know. That's what Daddy calls it.
I know, and he's not right. Look at the leaves.
Narrow-leaf sunflower.
Ding, ding, ding.
Can I do it?
Yeah, what is it?
A beech tree.
A beech tree. Why do you say that?
Because I think it looks like a beech tree. It reminds me of one.
I think the color is similar. I think it's a walnut or a hickory nut. Has anybody seen Oliver?
I'm right here.
You little sneaker.
I was hiding behind you.
What about this tree?
I think it's oak.
Good job. It is an oak tree. What is it?
A wax myrtle.
I can see you being tricked like that. But this grows really big. Touch the leaves.
An oak.
Yes, an oak.
They know we're here.
No fooling Lydia. What's he over here looking at?
What are you
Oh.
looking at, JD? What? What are you looking at?
Is the spider dead now? I was trying to get the spider on the camera. There it is. Oh, Drew.
JD's focused on spider.
JP
That
found a spider.
Sissy walked through.
He's the golden froze spider.
I think it's a golden silk spider.
Now he's a golden rose spider. Is that froze?
Yeah, last night it froze. Real cold.
He froze.
I would have been laughing at.
What tree are you climbing?
A berry bush.
Berry bush.
It broke from under my booty. The limb broke from under my butt nearly. See, it's just a little nub.
It's a nub.
This is a giant tree.
Who knows what this tree is? Not a beech.
Birch.
Not a birch.
Aw, is it harder?
Hickory nut tree.
You're just guessing randomly. No, Drew. Do you know, Liddy?
I've never seen, I don't think, something.
Look at the bark on it.
It looks like a crepe myrtle, sort of.
An orchid tree. I know what it is, but I just can't say it. That's the name.
I'll show you.
Wax myrtle?
No, I'll show you a wax myrtle, and I'll show y'all another one of these if I see it. Oh, hey Drew, what's this one?
Beach.
How do you know?
That one, I don't know. The bark.
The bark?
The shape of the tree?
Yeah.
There's a big one down in the woods, and we always cross right under it. I crossed right under it today.
Yeah, Daddy showed us what a beech tree is.
Wow, that's awesome.
So that's how me and Drew know.
Lydia, what's this one?
That is a maple.
Well, that was quick. Good job. Got another one for you. You ready?
What is it?
This one with all the red leaves at the top.
Sumac.
Good job. Now, Drew, what kind of sumac?
What?
Wings.
Is it winged?
Yes.
That
Very
looks like a
good.
sumac, Mom.
Yeah, winged sumac.
I said, there's only one thing I can track. I can track down berries.
You sure can track berries. Look at that one. It's loaded without falling. Go.
I don't want weight. A baby can't do it.
You can just get off and go around him.
That one's gonna be wobbly.
Uh-huh.
This one is gonna be wobbly. See what I mean? I have to go. Don't I have to go around this?
Yeah, get on the next one.
Oh dear. I think I'm gonna do it. This one. Go around that little hole. At least that little knob.
High five. Yeah, you did it.
I did it. And that's a prize. Did I jump onto that one? No.
You can try.
I didn't jump. No. Can't do it.
Drew fell off. Start over.
Me?
No, Drew.
I'm gonna make it. Maybe. Mama. And this is my prize. We get prizes.
No, we don't get prizes. We don't get prizes.
I'm gonna do it
High
back.
five.
Mom, that's my prize. Can you hold it?
Hold on.
No, we don't get prizes. Trying to do it.
Davey can do it too. Watch him. Look at him. He can do it. These wobbly ones are harder.
Well, they're not really hard for me, Mama. I kind of just have just... Can you do it? Woo!
High five. Sir, don't irritate him.
Bubba want to tickle a baby.
Where are your berries?
I think you're going
Right there? There are your berries. Smack Mom with berries.
Mom, watch what I want.
What tree is this one?
Pretty easy, actually. Holly.
Good job.
Got it right?
Oh, what scared you? Because I don't see anything that's scary with him.
Do you see that spider?
Oh my goodness. He's so big. That's a... You know what this flower is?
No. It's a purple flower.
It's an aster.
Aster. Her told me that.
You knew it?
Good job. Oh yeah, I did say that, but I forgot it. I know, I was thinking,
What are you Which one, baby? This one? I don't know. Is this... I don't know. Is that an aster?
It looks like an aster. Because look, there's a purple little thing right there.
Yeah, that's just the aster that's already done its thing. Good job, JB.
Okay.